Hello guys, so Jeopardy speaking. Last Tuesday while I was scared to tape Jeopardy Daily Gaming, game number 349, I forgot to record the gameplay footage that was supposed to be taped on last Tuesday. But apparently I got other things to do last Tuesday. So, with that in mind, I have the only footage exist from the gameplay. So, instead they won't let me get back in the gameplay. So, just be cautious. Unfortunately stated. So, without further ado, let's enjoy the only footage that still exists for game number 349. Be right there with ya. See ya on... yeah, excuse me. Enjoy.